Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, hi guys, how you doing? I've got to give you updates about Rivers State. You know, as they go now, Rivers State, àwọn ló wà lójú ọpọ́n now, as they out for Rivers State. Yes, and their governor there, that's Wike. Yes, as he invited the governor of Lagos State, that's in person of Babajide Sanwo-Olu, to commission a new flyover. So Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu was invited to commission a new flyover, that's Oroshiri-Woroku, in the city of Port Harcourt. So that's a good one there. We say Wike is working, Rivers State is moving. Abi, no be so. You can watch the video and see what I'm talking about.
My friend, the governor of Lagos State, let nobody tell you story that anybody will come here to win as governor of Rivers State. Far. This is what we do. It will not happen. Will it happen? No. Will it happen? No. So people are contesting for contesting sake, and which is proper. Let it look that an election took place. But if it is that you want to win, please, just go home. Because we won't make that kind of mistake. Those who looted the treasure of the state will not come here to be governor of Rivers State. And I have challenged them. And there are some parties that are not even known. Some people are contesting under it. I don't understand. But we have not started politics yet. When we start, everybody will show Operation Show Your Report card. Operation Show Your Report card. And we will do anything for the interest of Rivers State. If you say Rivers State does not matter, Rivers State will tell you it does also matter. Do you understand me? At the appropriate time. If you don't like us, we will not like you. If you like us, we will like you. Not so? If you fall for me, nobody will use our vote for nothing. Our vote will matter, and Rivers State must benefit from anybody we are going to support. That is the truth of the matter. Politics now is no longer vote for somebody. What will you do for the people of Rivers State? That is this. So people should be calm down. We are coming. Nobody should panic. I'm fully in charge. I want you to know that. I am fully in charge. I'm not that kind of governor. Anybody can go to Abuja and hold meeting. I'm not that kind of governor. I'm fully in charge here. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. And see when you will come out. So all these big names, forget it. These are the people. We are in charge. So, Mr. Governor, this is your hope. Feel comfortable. Anytime I come to Lagos, I see what you are doing in Lagos. I'm so impressed. That's why I say you to come and see what we are doing. It has nothing to do with party. It has to do to compare notes. And that's where we are supposed to walk. Party is a vehicle that takes you to a destination. You come down. Right? You come down and show that you have the capacity to do something for our people. I'm sure our people know that we have that capacity, and we have shown that capacity. Just 2 weeks, we'll be commissioning, flagging up. Anybody who can do that, go and do it. Let us see. It is not by mouth. Whether you hate us or not, there's nothing you can do about it. Whether you like me or not, it is immaterial. Don't jealous us. You do your own. If you have what to do, call governors from other states. Call leaders from other states. Let them come and see what you have done and see what we have done. We are not ashamed. We are very happy that we are showcasing to the world what we have done and what we can do. So those who are not happy that we are showcasing, you will have your own opportunity, because since you are not happy, you can't have this opportunity. Only one man will be governor, and that governor is from our party, and the candidate has emerged. So, let me use the opportunity and invite my dear brother, the performing governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, to please come and talk to your people and then commission Orochi Woruku flyover. Thank you, and God bless you.